How's everyone doing? This is Eric from Empire App Designs, back with another video. In this video I'm going over a template that I'm going to be adding to my website that's going to be available. And what it is another digital dashboard template. The only difference with this one is it's written in Swift. The current one that I have on the site is written in Objective-C, which I can show you here real quick, which is this one here for DigiDash. So I currently have this one available for sale for $100. Now the Swift one took me a little while to get to creating it, but it is available for you, and it's going to be available at $150 for the next couple days, but it's going to go up to $200. I feel the amount of time that I put into this platform, I mean, if you went out to a developer right now and asked them to build you this here right now, they charge you anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 depending on the developer and what they charge per their time. This app took me about 3 months, or excuse me, not 3 months, 3 weeks to do, as converting it from Objective-C to Swift took some time. There's a lot of different syntax, a lot that needed to be done in order to get this to work properly. So right now I'm in my vehicle and these gauges are reading properly on here. So if I put this vehicle in the drive right now, you're going to see in the center, this is going to turn into the speedometer. So it's going to show you the speed. Let me back it up here real quick. Alright, as you can see there real quick, just drove it in the parking lot area just to show you how everything is operating. But like I said, this template's going to be readily available. It's App Store ready. All you would need to do is add your app icons, of course change the app name to whatever you want, and of course you'll have access to all the gauge information. So if you want to put on here diesel, fuel, if you want to change fuel level from just your normal text to an actual gauge, you can do all that. Everything is documented in here for you to do it. And like I said, if this is something that you want to buy but you don't want to go through the work of creating the interfaces that you want in the application and you need someone to do it for you, I can develop it for you. I already have everything in here, so it's just a matter of creating the interfaces the way you want it developed. And after you're in agreement with it, of course there's a fee associated with the time that goes into me doing it for you. But like I said, everything's already documented in there. If you're even if you're a new programmer and you understand how the coding is set up, I mean, let me show you real quick. I mean it's straightforward. I mean, you can't miss out on this and how it's set up. But like I said, if you're having problems, if you need assistance, or you just need to go ahead and hire me to build it out the way you want it built, I can go ahead and take care of that. If you got any questions, contact me at Eric at Empire App Designs.